which means that it can completely kill whole entire ecosystems. My name is Roxanne Evans. I am from Cape Town. I go to school at Springfield Convent of the Holy Rosary. I'm in grade 10 and my project title is, can eco-bleach replace chlorine bleaches? The answer to this is yes. With my project, it is dealing mostly with the stain removal aspects of your chlorine household bleaches, which a lot of you will use to either remove stains from your clothing or to whiten your clothing. These chlorine bleaches are often also used to disinfect counters, and I'm looking at whether or not these eco-bleaches can have the potential to replace them. Through my research, I found that they can, and that they actually have superior efficacy to the chlorine bleaches. And they are also a lot more cost effective, as they're between 2 to 18 Rand cheaper when compared to the chlorine bleaches. Furthermore, they are also way better for your health and way better for the environment. Often when people use chlorine bleaches, they will experience the stinging of the eyes, the burning of the skin, or like tightness in the chest and nausea after using these bleaches. And with the environment, it can lead to, it's a biocide. Chlorine is a biocide, which means that it can completely kill whole entire ecosystems, but the eco-bleaches have none of these factors. They are a lot better for your health with, the symptoms are very minimal, and same with the environment. So the eco-bleaches are made up of a synthetically produced chemical compound, which is called sodium percarbonate. It does not have a lot of negative health nor environmental consequences, but it's primarily made up of the sodium percarbonate. And then for superior efficacy, eco-bleaches often use 2% of TAED, which is a synthetic chemical that improves the efficacy. It has been really, really enjoyable. I came into it not really knowing anyone from my delegation and from my province, just because we hadn't really had a lot of time to meet, and I made some really, really good friends and a lot of really good memories.
Hours later.
Welcome to the International Science Fair, where we're showcasing the excellence of the young learners in South Africa. We've been doing this for 44 years. Like 44 years, you all, 44 years. Some of your parents were not even born when we started this thing, or some of us were born, but I know for a fact that some of your parents were not even in this world when we started this thing. And here you are representing, celebrating excellence. Every time I go and I look at the presentations and the projects of the learners, I am inspired. I know that South Africa has a future. If you guys had an opportunity to see what these learners are able to do, what these learners are doing, will rest. You know, when your day comes to depart from this world, you will know that South Africa has a future.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
And the winner for the senior category from the region of Cape Town, Roxanne Evans. Let's give her a huge round of applause. Congratulations.